What's up, Amazon seller? This is Viral Jain here, Amazon advertising expert, and I want to let you know something really special is happening on 20th December and 21st December that you cannot miss it. Me and my team were working on this training about these dangerous but highly profitable ad secrets that will blow up your sales forever. Considering the fact that in the last 2 years, Amazon's algorithm is changing massively, organic sales are dying. New advertisement is getting rolled out every single day, and reviews are getting banned left, right, and center. Every single day, there's a new update. If you don't know this can either make or break your business. And in this training, I'm going to spill all the beans and let you know all the Amazon ads secrets that will blow your mind away. And I'm going to make you an offer that you literally cannot get anywhere else. But for that, you need to be on this training. This training is absolutely free of cost for you. And the registration link for this training is going to be somewhere above or below the video. Click the link below, hurry up and fill up the registration because after 100 seats, it is going to get expired.